Matt, say hi.
Hiya.
Flat Earth British on board the Windy Ridge, and I'm Lawrence, Boss Dragon Metals, my YouTube channel. Check it out, like and subscribe. Just doing some things. It's a beautiful day today. There's a marquee over there. We'll be doing stuff, won't they?
Yeah,
later.
still having a party, a barbecue later.
Barbecue, 7:30 barbecue. Anyway, lots of work to do here. I've got the wind turbine and the chart plotter mount, which I need to put there. But there's a panel in the way, so I'm going to have to do something about that. Also got this mess of electronics that I need to go through and organise it. Also the bunny's with us. Say hi, Lucky. She's okay. She likes the warmth. And plenty more inside to be done.
I'm going to service the engine.
And Martin's going to service the engine. And later we're also going to install the foresail here.
Oh, yeah.
In another video, which should be interesting. Do some rigging also. Well, see you then. Bye, Matt.
Frigging in the rigging.
Don't listen to him, he's weird.